Hello, welcome. Today we're going to be looking at stability analysis. Stability analysis. A system is said to be stable if you keep tight control of the variables of operation. The system is said to be stable if there is tight control on the variables of the operation. A stable system is guaranteed by keeping tight control of the variables of operation. In defining a controller, the characteristic equation of the loop or system is the main parameter examined to see whether the system is stable or not. You see, we said that for you to study a system or for you to do a very good system analysis, you need to do mathematical modeling of the system, converting the variables, the relationship between the variables into an equation, most comfortably a linearized equation. So when you get this, you can form it in form of the objective equation or objective function or characteristics equation. And whenever you want to do stability analysis, you have to check the word characteristic equation of the loop or system. That is what you examine in order to check whether a system is stable or not. Now, for both the open and closed loop, the roots or the poles of the characteristics equation, very, very important, the characteristics equation of the system, that's what you're examining. So the roots of both the open and closed is examined if you want to determine whether that system is stable or not. So this, for you to be able to study these roots or the poles of the characteristic equation, we study it under three aspects. So stability studies is done under three aspects. Number one is what we call the time domain. Number one way of studying stability in control is what we call time domain. Number two is what we call the Laplace domain. Time domain, Laplace domain. And number three is the frequency response analysis domain. The last two offer more information. So if you study using Laplace domain and frequency response analysis domain, you will have more information as to what you are looking for. Now, let's study stability in Laplace domain, the second one, since it has more information than time domain. So stability in the Laplace domain. Here we use two methods. There are two methods whenever you want to use Laplace domain. You have what we call the Routh stability criteria. You have also what we call the direct substitution method. Actually, three methods, not two, three. We have root stability criteria, direct substitution, and the root locus analysis method. The last method is more comprehensive. This one is more comprehensive. But we're going to be looking at this first method, the Routh stability method. The Routh stability method. Here we use what we call the Routh array to study stability. Here, for a system to be stable in this domain, for a system to be stable in Laplace domain using Routh stability array to study or Routh stability criteria, the roots of the characteristics equations must lie on the left-hand side of the plane. If the roots lie on the right-hand side of the plane, then the system is not stable. So in using Routh array or Routh stability criteria, you basically check whether the roots are lying on the left-hand side of the plane. Once that is ascertained and you know that the roots are lying on the left-hand side of the plane, then the system is said to be stable. We are going to demonstrate this in the subsequent classes where we'll be looking at the Routh array. We'll be doing it, we'll be examining and giving an example so that we understand this. So very, very important. For you to do stability analysis, you need to have gotten the word characteristics equation. So you check the roots of this characteristic equation in order to determine whether the system is stable or not. And this stability can be studied under three aspects: time domain, Laplace domain, or frequency response analysis domain. The last two offer more information. Stability analysis under Laplace domain, the second one. There are three methods: Routh stability method, direct substitution method, and root locus analysis. The last method is more comprehensive. Now, considering root stability criteria, we look at what we call Routh array. here the system to be stable under this, using this method under that last array, the roots of that characteristics equation must lie on the left half of the plane. The roots must lie on the left half of the plane. Subsequent classes we are going to demonstrate it. Please, if you like this video, share it, like it, comment on the comment section. Thank you and God bless you.